Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best detachable pots and pans set on the market, the Astercook 21-piece cookware set. If you've been searching for a versatile, space-saving, and high-performance cookware collection, this one might just check all your boxes. Right from the start, the Astercook set stands out with its sleek and stylish pink design that brightens up any kitchen. But this set isn't just about looks. It's packed with features aimed at making your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. What really sets it apart is the detachable handle system. This innovative design means you can easily remove the handles for safer oven use, easier cleaning, and more compact storage. It's perfect for those with limited kitchen space or for anyone who loves efficient organization. The pots and pans themselves are crafted from high-quality aluminum, which is known for excellent heat conduction, ensuring your meals cook evenly every time. Plus, the interior features a premium non-stick ceramic coating that not only offers superb food release but also helps you cook with less oil, making your meals healthier. Importantly, this coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, so you can cook with peace of mind. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with this set. Thanks to the non-stick ceramic surface, food residue wipes off effortlessly. Whether you prefer hand washing or the convenience of a dishwasher, the Astercook cookware holds up well, maintaining its performance and appearance over time. The detachable handles also make it easy to wash the cookware thoroughly without awkward spots. One of the best parts about this set is its versatility. It's compatible with almost any cooktop you might have, including induction, gas, and electric stovetops. Whether you're using a modern induction range or a classic gas stove, these pots and pans adapt quickly to provide stable and efficient heating. They are oven-safe too, which gives you flexibility to finish dishes or keep food warm without switching cookware. The 21 pieces in the set cover a wide range of cookware essentials, from saucepans and frying pans to larger pots and various lids, so you can prepare anything from a simple breakfast to a full family dinner. The included lids are designed with silicone and glass, providing a tight seal that helps lock in moisture and heat during cooking. Storage is another strong point. Because of the removable handles and stackable design, this set takes up less cabinet space than traditional cookware sets. This makes it ideal for smaller kitchens, RVs, or anyone looking to maximize their storage efficiency. Astercook also places importance on durability. Both the aluminum bodies and the handles, which are made from heat-resistant Bakelite combined with silicone, have been rigorously tested to withstand daily use and frequent temperature changes without losing stability or comfort and grip. In summary, the Astercook 21-piece pots and pans set offers a winning combination of elegant design, smart functionality, and high-quality construction. Its detachable handles provide safe oven use and easy cleaning, the ceramic non-stick coating supports healthy cooking, and simple maintenance, and its compatibility across various cooktops makes it truly versatile. If you want cookware that's efficient, durable, and stylish, this set is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Let us know in the comments if you've tried detachable cookware and what your experience has been. See you next time.